Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a Gucci unboxing. Where my Gucci gang at? I'm trying to be cool here. Alright, so I have 3 items to show you. They're behind me. I can't wait. I already ticked off some items from my wish list and I'm really happy. And I can't wait to show you what I got from Gucci. So if you're interested, if you're a Gucci lover, keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. If you're new, subscribe to this channel. You can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Snapchat, which I actually don't use that much anymore. But everything will be linked down below. You can also come follow me here. This is my Instagram where you can get some outfit of the day inspo. I have highlights, you can shop my looks there. I show you my new favorite products. So if you're interested, come follow me on my Instagram. Alright, let's get started with this video, shall we? Okay, I will start with this little baggie, and here inside this bag I have 2 items. One of them you have probably seen already, but I will still unbox it and complete my look for this video because it's not complete without this. Many of you might already know what it is. It is in this box. Let me leave the bag back there. So it came in this beautiful Gucci box with the snake, and let me unwrap it. Look at the box, the detail, I love it. Can you guys guess what's inside? It's something small but very beautiful. This was on my wish list, so are you guys ready? Did you guys guess? Da 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 da! It is the Gucci hair clip, which I picked up a few weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and this one is with the clip. This is how it opens. They have 3 different ones. They have one that's like a comb, they have another one that's like a clip, and this one is like this. I mean, I'll link all of them down below so you can check them out. But I really wanted this one, and I really wanted it in the brown color. This one also comes in 3 different colors. It comes in a beautiful pink, which I also love, and the pink one actually comes with the Gucci writing on it and with Amor writing on it, which is also very beautiful. It looks amazing. I actually tried it on. I found it in the Gucci boutique on Sloane Street. They have that one there, but all the other ones were sold out. These are currently on pre-order online as well, and they're very hot right now. It also comes in black, which is also stunning. I love the black one, but because I've been wearing a lot of browns lately and I wanted to match this to my other accessories, bags, shoes, I decided to go for the brown one. It also complements my skin tone and my hair better. I will put it on for you. I'll have a look in the mirror behind me and I'll be back in a bit. Alright, here I am. I'm back with my hair clip. Sorry, my hair is a bit puffy hair, but I just curled my hair before this video. So this is the hair clip. I will definitely include some better shots of the clip so you can see it better. I love wearing it right here on one side, behind, like with my hair tucked behind my ear. You can also wear it at the back. You can pull your hair back and clip it at the back as well. It holds my hair. I don't have to redo it during the day. Some hair clips don't really hold my hair, so I was a bit scared that this one won't, because it's like a plastic hair clip, and I was afraid I'll spend so much money and it won't hold my hair because I have a very long hair. But I don't have to readjust it throughout the day. It doesn't slip. My hair is very straight, so the other thing I was afraid was that the hair clip will start like slipping, like sliding down my hair, because my hair is so so straight, and I don't have that problem, so it stays in place all day. It's so beautiful. I get so many compliments every time I wear it. People are like, wow, your hair clip is amazing, and yeah, I love it. So guys, I highly recommend this one. It is an amazing piece to have in your collection. I know it's a trendy piece, but I think I'll keep wearing this for years. It will stay in my collection. It is so stunning, and I love wearing my hair like this behind my ear on one side, so I love it. I think it was a really good investment. Alright, let's continue with unboxing number 2. This one I actually don't have the box. I completely forgot to ask about the box, but instead they gave me a lovely velvet packaging. To be honest, I don't really need these boxes anymore because I have nowhere to put the boxes. Let me open it and see if it's in place. Alright guys, are you ready? Look at this amazing Gucci velvet box. It is another jewelry piece, and da 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 da, it is the Gucci brooch. So this one has been on my wish list for a very long time. I actually didn't include this in my 2019 wish list because I already bought it before I filmed that video. I actually had a gift card and I didn't pay the full price, which is always better. I paid half of it because I already had half on a gift card. The price of this brooch is £265 if I'm not wrong, and yeah, I paid half of it, which was really nice. I really wanted the one with the clear crystals. They're so reflective, it is so sparkly, and it's absolutely stunning. This one comes in smaller sizes, but I think the smaller ones are different colors. They have it in red and in green. I'm not sure if they have it in any other colors. I'm not gonna put it on this shirt because it's a silk shirt and the brooch is quite heavy, so it will pull the shirt, but I will pin it on a coat and I will show you. All my other brooches are Chanel, so this one, since it came out, I really wanted to get it, but it was sold out for a very long time and it wasn't a top priority, so it was down on the list. But I saw it like a few weeks ago in Harrods and I had that gift card, so I was like, why not? I can finally tick it off and get it and add it to my brooch collection. It is absolutely stunning. It elevates any outfit. It looks amazing on my coats. You can pin it on hats. I find brooches so versatile because you can wear them in so many different ways, and you can pin them on scarves. You can also wear them as a necklaces. You can just add a chain and wear them as like pendant necklaces. So yeah, I love brooches, and this one is so stunning. Right, last purchase, and this is the biggest one. Can you guys guess what this is? I already told you in my last vlog that I picked up something from Harrods, and it was something from my wish list. If you haven't watched my wish list video, I'll link it down below for you to have a look and watch. But let's unbox this now. When you see the box, you will know what it is. Ooh. The authenticity cards. Why do I have so many cards? Oh my god, there is more in here. So there's bags and da, 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 da. I got, finally, I know so many of you hate these, but I love them. So I got finally the Gucci furry sneakers. Oh, how adorable are these? Someone actually commented on one of my videos saying it looks like you have dead rats or like some dead animal in your feet. Don't get them, they're disgusting. I love them. I think they're so cute. Let me take the other one out. How adorable are these? I love them, guys. They are so so comfy, and I haven't worn them yet. I really can't wait to wear them. I'm actually going shopping later and I'm gonna wear these babies finally. I've had these for a couple of days and I've been looking at them, unboxing them, putting them back in the box. I really wanted to wear them the other day, but it started raining, so I was like, no, I'm not gonna wear them outside in the rain. It was pouring, and I decided to wait and unbox them with you, and I'm gonna wear them today because it's not gonna rain, hopefully. So these are the sneakers. This model comes with the B, the model with the fur comes with the B embroidery, and it's not with the green stripes, it's the red with navy, dark navy blue stripes. I got mine in size, my normal size, 37.5, which is 4.5. So these run very big. Normally the A sneakers, but because these are with fur, they're all fur lined inside. You can't even see, they're so fluffy. In sneakers, I'm normally size 5, EU 38. In the Gucci A sneakers without fur, I'm a whole size down. So size 4, EU 37. In normal shoes, not sneakers, I'm 4.5, 37.5. Hopefully I'm not confusing you guys. These I got in 4.5, which is my normal true size for any shoes but sneakers. And closed boots as well, I go a half size up. Oh my god, I feel that I'm confusing you. Anyway, so these I got in my normal true size, so I suggest you go with your normal size in these if you are getting the furry sneakers. This is the back of the sneaker. These don't have the Gucci at the back because they have the fur covering it. This is not real fur. Gucci stopped producing fur items, ready to wear, anything with furs. So they're fur free now, and I actually asked the SA what happened with all the shoes that didn't sell. They said they destroyed them. I don't know if it's true. He said they destroyed them and replaced them with the new version. So this is a lambskin sneaker with faux fur. Unfortunately, the price is the same. I wish the price was lower because this now is not real fur. I can understand why they want to charge a lot more because these cost a lot more than the sneaker without the fur, and I understood why they wanted to charge more because they were real fur. I think it was kangaroo fur, but now that it's synthetic fur, I don't think they should charge that much. These are very expensive because of the fur, and they were £625. I know it's a lot, but I really wanted the furry sneakers, the fluffy ones, because they're a bit more different. Everyone has the original version. I like these a lot. And another reason, very important reason why I picked these up is because I wanted a very warm sneaker. I love wearing sneakers in the winter as well. I don't only wear boots. It's getting really cold. Actually, these couple of days it's been really cold in the UK, and I can't wear my Louis Vuitton sneakers or my Fendi ones. They're just not warm enough. These are lined with fur inside, and they're so cozy and so warm. So I can't wait to wear them today. I'll be warm and comfy all day long today shopping. So yeah, these are the new sneakers. So I will finally start wearing them today, and I will update you later how I find them. If they're comfortable, I'll report back. Alright everyone, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I can't wait to read all the comments about the shoes and how ugly they are. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but it's actually quite funny when reading comments. And hey, ugly sneakers are trendy now, remember? Anyway, hopefully this video was helpful to some of you who are thinking about purchasing any of the items I showed you. Hopefully I inspired you to buy some cool stuff. Well, at least I think they're cool. But everything I talked about and everything that I'm wearing, everything that I showed you and unboxed will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that. We all like different things, so I won't be mad at you if you don't like the items I showed you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. Thank you so much for watching, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys!